What if Leica broke its 4-year rhythm and released the Q4 sooner than anyone expected? In this video, I will walk you through the most credible leaks and rumors, explain what actually matters for shooters, and give you a clear takeaway you can use if you are thinking about upgrading. Will the Q4 be a modest refinement or a genuine leap that forces photographers to rethink waiting for the next model? You know what is funny? Most upgrade debates fall apart when you focus on the handful of features that change real shooting behavior. Stay until the end because one of the leaks could directly affect whether you should buy now or wait. The Leica Q series has quietly shaped expectations for compact full-frame cameras over the last decade. The original Q proved a fixed prime with a full-frame sensor could be both compact and highly expressive. The Q2 raised the bar with higher resolution and refined optics, and the Q3 expanded the line with a more advanced sensor and improved video capability. Leica sells an experience as much as specifications, a lens that defines the look, a tactile shutter, and a body that encourages thoughtful shooting. That ethos matters because meaningful changes from Leica are usually intentional and significant in real use. The headline rumor is a stacked CMOS sensor, which would cut readout time, reduce rolling shutter, and enable better burst performance and video. If Leica pairs that sensor with AI-assisted autofocus and predictive subject recognition, the Q4 could track faces, eyes, and animals far more reliably than previous models. Video upgrades are also expected, including improved thermal management for longer recording sessions and higher frame rate options in 4K. Enhanced body stabilization would broaden handheld opportunities and let shooters use slower shutter speeds without a tripod. Taken together, these changes would move the Q series from a primarily stills-oriented tool toward a true hybrid for creators who value both stills and motion. Don't expect Leica to chase flashy styling changes. The Q line succeeds through restraint and refinement. Small ergonomic improvements will make a bigger daily difference than a cosmetic redesign. A slightly deeper grip, improved thumb ergonomics, and smarter button mapping can make long shoots less fatiguing and more productive. The electronic viewfinder is another likely target for improvement. A higher resolution and faster refresh rate would make composing and reviewing images feel immediate. Adding a fully articulating screen would expand creative framing options and finally give the Q series broader appeal for vloggers and solo creators. Historically, Leica has favored a measured development cadence, which makes a 2027 release the conservative expectation. That said, component cycles and competitive pressure could push Leica to accelerate and target a late 2026 announcement. Pricing will remain premium, and upgraded internals could push the launch figure above previous models. For buyers, the key calculation is value rather than sticker alone. Will a faster sensor, smarter autofocus, and stronger video capability translate into more keepers and a smoother workflow that justifies the extra cost? So where does that leave you? If you already own a Q2 or Q3 and you prioritize Leica's look, color rendition, and tactile handling, you may not need to rush. If you are a creator who needs modern autofocus, faster readouts, and robust video features in a compact package, the Q4 rumors are exciting and worth monitoring. Trust me on this one. Focus on the upgrades that actually change how you shoot rather than the marketing headlines. What feature would make you upgrade today? Drop your thoughts in the comments, tell me your must-have, and if this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you do not miss future leak updates.